CaityB back in the building yet again with another cover. As you guys can see, I'm going to be singing Remember by Lauren Daigle, and in one of my videos your creator beautifully commented and suggested for me to sing one of Lauren Daigle's song, and I felt like Remember was a bit more in my vocal range. But yeah, so I'm going to sing Remember, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys know the song, sing along with me. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna be looking at the lyrics, by the way, guys. In the darkest hour, when I cannot breathe, fear is on my chest, the weight of the world on me. Everything is crashing down, everything I had known. When I wonder if I'm all alone, I remember, you have always been faithful to me. I remember, even when my own eyes could not see, you were there, always there. I will lift my eyes, even in the pain, but for the lies, I know you can make a way. I have seen giants fall, I have seen mountains move, I have seen waters pop because of you. I remember, you have always been faithful to me. I remember, even when my own eyes could not see, you were there, always there. I can't stop thinking about, I can't stop thinking about, I can't stop thinking about your goodness, goodness. I can't stop thinking about, I can't stop thinking about, I can't stop thinking about your goodness, goodness. I can't stop thinking about, I can't stop thinking about, I can't stop thinking about your goodness, goodness. I can't stop thinking about, I can't stop thinking about, I can't stop thinking about your goodness, goodness. I remember, you have always been faithful to me. I remember, you have always been faithful to me. You were there, always there with me. So I got the last bit wrong, but ain't nobody noticed. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this cover. It's totally different from what I would normally do. It feels very spiritual, you know what I mean? It feels good to sing. It hits the fatu, the heart. But yeah, don't forget to suggest any more covers, guys. I still have to get around to a lot of the other suggestions that a a lot of people suggested me, especially like friends and family. But I will get to it, y'all. I'll get to it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smack that subscribe button. Click on the post notifications bell below, and yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment, y'all. Thank you. Till fast, and see you guys in the next video.